Hi, I'm Dara, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use multiple screens on FlexLogger. So as you can see, I'm currently on the screen tab, and this is the FlexLogger user interface, and I'm showing the temperature and light sensor data. It can get a little crowded, so I'm just going to add another screen, and I'll click the plus button to the right of the screen tab and click screen, and this will pull up another page for us to use for our graphs. So for this example, I'm just going to add quickly another temperature graph, just like I did previously on the other tab, and click temp, and then there you have it. It's another temperature page. And I'm going to rename this page temperature, click enter, and then click rename. And say for this UI, I just want it to be light sensor data. So I'll just rename that to light sensor. Click rename, and it'll be done. We can also pull away different screen tabs. So say if you're working on a monitor or something like that, you want it on a different window, you can always just pull it away just like you would on any browser. And we can also put it right back. So yeah, in this video, we saw how to use multiple different user interfaces on FlexLogger for different sensors and different applications. Thanks for watching.